Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Capital One using online transfer settings easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Click on the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Select the specific account where your funds are held. Look for the Transfers option in the menu. Click on Transfer Money to initiate a withdrawal. In the transfer form, choose the From account where the funds are located. Select the To account where you want the funds to be sent. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transfer details to ensure all information is correct. If you have scheduled transfers, verify that this transaction is not conflicting. Proceed by clicking the Continue or Next button. Follow any prompts to confirm your identity for security purposes. Once confirmed, review the final transfer summary. Click Submit to complete your withdrawal request. A confirmation message will appear once your transaction is processed. Check your email for a confirmation of the withdrawal. You can also return to the Accounts tab to verify the transaction in your account activity. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn funds from your Capital One account using online transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.